Be ydy Gwynedd Ni? What is Gwynedd Ni?
Gwasanaeth gwybodaeth di Gwynedd Ni. Gwynedd Ni is an information service.
Ar gyfer pwy mae ta? Who's it for?
Wel, mae blant, pobl ifanc a theuluoedd Gwynedd. It's for children, young people and families of Gwynedd.
Gai wybod beth yna ar ôl ysgol. Can I find out what can I do after school?
Mae yna syniadau fel gwersi pêl-droed, gwersi dawnsio ar Gwynedd Ni. Yes, there are things like football lessons and dancing lessons on Gwynedd Ni.
O le gai restr o warchodwyr. From where can I have a list of childminders?
Felly di gael restr o warchodwyr gan Gwynedd Ni. Can I have a list of childminders from Gwynedd Ni?
Ble gai restr o ysgolion gyrru yng Gwynedd? Where can I get details of driving schools in Gwynedd?
Yn y cyfeirlyfr ar wefan Gwynedd Ni, in the directory on the Gwynedd Ni website.
Felly, be ydy clustdŷr ifanc? So, what is clustdŷr ifanc?
Clustdŷr ifanc yw'r gwasanaeth cwynion i blant bobl ifanc yng Ngwynedd. Da ni yma i wrando ag i helpu. Clustdŷr ifanc is a complaint service for children and people in Gwynedd. We're here to listen and to help.
Felly, be ydy Lori Ni? What is Lori Ni?
Gwasanaeth gwybodaeth a llyfrgell teithiol yw Lori Ni. Lori Ni is a mobile information and library service.
Mae Lori Ni ar gael mewn ysgolion, digwyddiadau a diwrnod hwyl i'r teulu. Lori Ni is available at schools, events and family fun days.
Gallwch gysylltu â Gwynedd Ni mewn nifer o wahanol ffyrdd. You can contact Gwynedd Ni in lots of different ways. Trwy ein gwefan ar www.gwynedd-ni.org.uk, through our website on www.gwynedd-ni.org.uk, ar y ffôn dim 1286 675 570, on the phone 01286 675 570, ar e-bost gwynedd-ni@gwynedd.gov.uk, on the email gwynedd-ni@gwynedd.gov.uk, ar y text ar dim 7922 dim 83919, on the text 07920 083909, neu da ni hefyd ar Facebook a Twitter. We're also on Facebook and Twitter. Felly tro nesa da chi'n chwilio am wybodaeth, cofiwch am Gwynedd Ni. So next time you're looking for information, remember Gwynedd Ni.